Hello family, so I welcome you all back again to Chira's Kitchen. So today we are going to prepare a very fast, simple recipe. This, as you can see, I'm taking off the skin from my cocoyam. In fact, if you just come back from work and then you are feeling so tired, you don't know what to actually prepare, then you are watching the right video. I'll continue with the process until I have my cocoyam peeled off. My cocoyam is a little bit old. So you can see that I'm finding it difficult to take off the skin. But hey, I don't want to throw anything out. I'll try as much as possible, be careful so that I don't get my hands cut, and then enjoy my cocoyam. It's not easy to find some here in Europe. So if you get some when you go to Africa or you travel to Ghana, then you try as much as possible to bring such ingredients from back home to Europe. So yes, we have it at long last. Since my cocoyam wasn't enough, I had to add some yams to it so that we can all enjoy our food. Okay, I'll put in my yam, my washed yam, and then the cocoyam follows as well. When you're wearing a kitty, won't be enough a day. I'll be enjoying this with my eggs, so I'll add my eggs just right after it, and then I add salt to taste. I then cover it for it to boil. Now to the prepping of my African sauce. I have with me 2 habanero pepper, 1 in green and 1 in red. So I have here ginger and then onions and then 3 big tomatoes, and this small thing here is garlic. This is optional. I love to add garlic, but not a lot, just a little. And then of course, as I said, my ginger. So I'm going to blend everything. I'll first take out the head and then frenzy. Whatever. So, and then I start to grind. But before that, I have to cut my ginger and onion into smaller pieces. Add a little bit of salt for easy grinding. So now this is how it looks like. This is the end result. I'll be adding some fried shredded meat, vegan meat to it. You know, just to bring some texture into your sauce. So this brings us to the end of today's video. So this is one of the simplest and easiest. I did this under 30 minutes. Try this recipe, and then if you do try it, do not forget to let me know your feedback, how the recipe went. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. Thank you all once again, and until next time, eat good, eat healthy.